Okay guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to get out of a bedrock box. It's clearly easy. Yeah, I want you to get out to bedrock box. Oh wait, oh my, oh yeah, and oh my god, look, iron, furnace chest, crafting them. Oh my god, bro, look at that. I'm gonna craft. Oh yeah, I'm gonna break that. Yeah, craft one. Mine that. Look, I'm totally mining it. No. Oh, look what I got. Iron ingot, 64. I don't know how I did that, but that's magic. Wow. Oh, and I want you to craft that iron pick, the iron pickaxe, and go back in the bedrock box. And I want you to mine out of it. See, it's that simple. Yeah guys, if you want more epic tips, please like and subscribe. Oh yeah.